Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create e-commerce website in Godaddy. So I'm going to walk you through some straightforward process on how to simple create e-commerce website in Godaddy. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to create an account on Godaddy and choose the e-commerce plan. Once you've done that, select a template that suits your business need. Then after that, use the drag and drop builder to add your logo, your image, your text, and customize the color, the font, and the layout for your site. And after that, list your product with a description, price, and image. So once you do that, configure the payment option like credit card, your PayPal, and any other payment method. Then once everything is looking good, publish your website and start selling your e-commerce website on Godaddy. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.